What makes a blender the best? The answer is not as easy as you think. Some quiet blenders come with more features and better warranty than others, but all of them do their job in blending food for recipes or making smoothies. I have a confession to make. I recently purchased a new blender, and it's the quietest one I've ever seen. There are many products available to choose from best quiet blenders, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best quiet blenders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Blendtec Pro 800 Blender. The Blendtec Pro 800 is the most powerful blender in the world. With a 3 horsepower motor, it can power through ice like no other blender. The included wild side jar has an extra wide 64 ounces capacity, perfect for blending big batches of smoothies or shakes for your entire family. Blendtec's patented technology automatically pulls ingredients toward the blade, instead of spinning around in circles, so you get consistent results every time. Our blenders are used by some of the largest smoothie shops around the world, and now you can enjoy that same experience at home. It has 11 speeds and a touch slider for ultimate precision speed control. The one-touch interface offers easy cleaning, with an LCD countdown timer for consistent results each time. The Professional 800 operates at 11 speeds, including pre-programmed cycles such as ice crush and hot soups. This blender also features a pulse setting to achieve the desired. Pros: powerful and easy to use, and clean blade was ever so slightly silent. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Quiet Shield Blender. Hamilton Beach's professional Quiet Shield blender is the perfect kitchen companion for making delicious smoothies, shakes, and more. Blender with Shield Quiet Sound is a heavy-duty commercial blender which has an 80-ounce, 2.2L, 8 cups pitcher, and it's perfect for those who need to blend in volume. The variable speed dial provides control over blending speeds from super slow, 3000 RPM, to fast, 18,000 RPM. This blender features an extra large 32 ounces shatterproof jar that fits through the lid, so you can add ingredients while it crushes ice and frozen ingredients. Fast, powerful 1500 watt 20 HP and hardened stainless steel blades works through hard ingredients in seconds. Removable Quiet Shield dampens noise during the blending process. Infinite speed control ranges from super slow 3000 RPM to fast 18,000 RPM. 4 program settings: smoothie, ice crush, puree, and clean offer one-touch convenience and easy cleanup. Variable speed dial provides control. 32 Oz shatterproof jar, BPA-free jar included. Tamper fits through lid to help blend dense ingredients. Dishwasher safe parts: the blender jar, lid and tamper are all dishwasher safe as well. Number 3. Vitamix Quiet. The Vitamix Quiet 1 blender is the perfect solution for your busy restaurant or bar. Its unique design eliminates noise pollution, allowing you to blend drinks without disturbing your customers. It features a secure sound enclosure that covers its blending container, and it also utilizes vibration dampening technology to minimize noise levels. This commercial blender has an ergonomic handle and easy-to-read control panel with 6 touch buttons that have 34 program options. It's designed for use in locations where space is. Number 4. One-Joint Professional Soundproof Blender. Blender with Shield Quiet Sound is a heavy-duty commercial blender which uses a big volume pitcher, 80 ounces, 2.2L, 8 cups. This professional blender comes with 2 speeds and pulse function for you to make smoothies, ice cream, salsa, sauce, nuts, shakes and baby food, etc. And easy dealing with fitness persons. The elegant design of the blender with Shield Quiet Sound makes it look good on any kitchen countertop. It is very quiet while blending because of its soundproof shield that also prevents. It has 2200W motor and dual direction blade technology for powerful blending and consistent energy, which can crush ice cubes to snow, make smoothies, and shake smoothly. The blender with Shield Quiet Sound is a high-speed professional blender, using 38,000 RPM built-in PULSC and 15 speeds control for your selections. The countertop blender is easy to operate and clean. This blender is the best. One-Joint offers both a mechanical model and digital display version, as well as spare pitcher cups. The US plug with 110V can be found here, while UK or EU plugs require 220 volts to operate. Pros: Quiet Shield blender 2200 mAh free. Cons: denationalized. Number 5. Oster Blender. The Oster Versa Performance Blender is the perfect machine for making smoothies, shakes and more. Its powerful 1200 watts peak power motor can crush ice with ease. The Versa blender features 7 speed settings including 3 pre-programmed settings for the most common blender creations: smoothie, frozen drink and chop. The dual direction blade technology allows ingredients to flow down into the blade easier for faster and smoother results. This Oster Versa Performance Blender has a 6-cup borkless glass jar that is dish. Smart settings technology and 7 speeds including 3 pre-programmed settings for the most common blender creations. Dual direction blade technology for extra blending power to chop and grind with precision. Extra wide 3.5 blade system allows ingredients to flow down into the blade, easier for faster and smoother results. 1200 power watts and 900 watts of ice crushing power. 6-cup dishwasher safe borkless glass jar withstands thermal shock. Pulse feature for added control and precision, featuring a 50% larger blade system compared to previous Oster blender models, and patented dual direction blade. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.